Video is a rapidly growing format across all platforms, including YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. With 22.8 billion monthly visits to YouTube and 1 billion hours of video content watched daily, the potential for growth is staggering. Now that you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, it's time to make some money on YouTube. You can do this by joining the YouTube Partner Program, which is YouTube's way of paying content creators such as yourself some money by running ads on your videos. So there are 6 ways of making money on YouTube. One is watch page ads, which means that ads are played on your videos when they show up on the watch page, and you can make some money through that process. Now, one trick is always try and make longer form videos. These are videos which are about 8 minutes long, which means you can have multiple ads all within your video. But if your video is less than 8 minutes long, then you only have ads at the beginning of the video or at the end of the video. Another way of making money on YouTube is through channel memberships, which means members of your community can choose to pay you however amount of money you set. You can decide to set $2.99 per month or $6.99 per month and have different categories for different channel memberships, which means in one membership category you can opt to give them extra behind the scenes footage, or they can participate in a Q&A session, which is just a members only Q&A session. This gives back to the community and makes everyone feel special. Another way of earning money is through ads on short form videos. Now, these short form videos don't make a lot of money. In fact, they make very little money. So you can have 1 million views on a short form video and barely make $5. So I'm just putting it out there so you know that long form video wins in terms of passive income. Another way of earning money is through live streams where members can actually tip you directly. This is known as supers. This is where members can opt to tip you when you go live on your videos. Another important strategy that I use to make money is through product advertising, which means I have products listed on my channel. These could be t-shirts, hats, so members can go directly on the video, click on a link which takes them to a product page where they can purchase merchandise from the channel. There is also another strategy of earning money on YouTube is through affiliate links. If you look at all my videos, I have some links in the description. Some of these links are for tech videos which have other products not related to this channel but allow me to earn some money. For instance, I also create courses online. These are software engineering courses, and I do earn some money as passive income on the side away from YouTube. So all these are different forms of passive income, which means you can make literally hundreds to thousands of dollars every single month from YouTube. For instance, on my channel, there are videos where I earn as much as $2,000 on a single video, which means the video keeps making money every single month. It could be $20, $50, but it's been doing that for the last year and a half, which is all passive income, which is income that comes in regardless of whether you work or not. But the initial cost is what takes time. So this can be creating content that takes time. You put all the work up front, then over time, that video pays you dividends, which means you just make money when you're asleep. This is the beauty of YouTube, that I recommend that everyone think of a skill set that you have, think of something you want to share and create content which will make you earn passive income when you sleep.